Sing along to this catchy song, please. Right, you're going to sing along. I'm sure you'll know it. I think you'll know this one. So please do sing along on the chorus, because if I... Thank you, sir. At least you'll be singing, okay. Because you know, there's nothing worse than when the guy on stage goes like that to the audience and it's like a graveyard. It's happened to me in Germany. It's happened to me in Sweden. I don't think it's going to happen tonight. Don't think so. And then after this catchy song, we're going to do what for me I think is one of my very, very best songs of all. And then we're going to bid you goodnight. Thank you so much for coming. Here's the catchy song, Mr. Blundell. 2, 3, and... Hear the sound of music drifting in the aisles, elevated Prozac stretching off from miles. The music of the future will not entertain. It's only meant to repress and neutralize your brain. So get squeezed out, edges get close. The sound of music comes in silver bells, engineered to suit you, filling you with thrills. The music of rebellion makes you want to rage, but it's made by millionaires who are nearly twice your age. So